Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2023 Volkswagen Jetta SE. This is finished in Pyrite silver metallic. We have a 1.5 liter four-cylinder engine with an automatic gearbox. I'll walk you around the vehicle and show you a few of the features and see if anything stands out to me on my walk around. This vehicle having just under 6,000 miles, it's practically new. I see maybe one or two very minor rock chips. And another one right there on the hood. The rest of the car looks excellent. Start up here at the driver front wheel. Great shape, no curb rash, no scratches, 17-inch 5-spoke wheels. Back here to the driver rear wheel, same as the front, really good shape, no curb rash. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape like the others, no curb rash, no scratches. Didn't see any dings or dents. Trying to get you guys a visual of the body lines. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, and same as the others, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Onto the interior, we have a Titan black V-Tex leather with white contrast stitching. Power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Nice digital display there for the radio, media, and phone. I do believe that this is equipped with Apple CarPlay. Have 3-stage heated front seats. Multifunction steering wheel. And a fully digital instrument cluster. As you can see there at the bottom, current mileage 5335. Power tilt sunroof. Folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050, or feel free to check this one out on the website along with our other inventory, www.autoassets.com.